Hey there, future math masters. Are you ready to learn something cool today? We're going to multiply decimals to the thousandths. Sounds tricky? Don't worry, I'm here to show you how it's done step by step. Let's dive in. Alright, here's our first problem. 4/10 times 25/100. Let's break it down. Step 1. Treat the decimals like regular numbers. Forget about the decimal points. For now, let's just multiply 4 and 25 like normal numbers. Look, 4 times 25 is 100. Easy, right? Now, let's move on to step 2. Count how many decimal places we have in the original numbers. In 4/10, there's 1 decimal place, and in 25/100, there are 2 decimal places. So, in total, that's 3 decimal places. Step 3. Place the decimal point. Remember, we need to move the decimal 3 places to the left, because we have 3 total decimal places. So, let's take that 100 and slide the decimal point over 3 spots. And there you go. The answer is 100 thousandths, which is equal to 10 hundredths or 1/10. Easy peasy, right? Let's look at another quick example just to make sure we've got it. Now, let's try 1 and 2/10 times 6/100. Step 1. Ignore the decimals and multiply 12 by 6. That's 72. Step 2. Count the decimal places. We have 1 decimal place in 1 and 2/10 and 2 decimal places in 6/100. That's 3 decimal places total. Now, we slide the decimal point 3 places to the left. And the answer is 72 thousandths. See, you just have to count the decimal places and move the decimal point. Now you can multiply decimals like a pro.